All right, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, let's see what we got going on. Let's delete that right quick. Trader rates open. All right, let's see what news we got. Today's the 22nd. All day we got these annual meetings. So let's see what that does to price. Let's go check right now what we want price. Right off the bat, this is my first time doing all this. So I'm not, how would you say it? Boom. Price is pumping. M15's over here. Just deleting, cleaning up the chart a little bit. All right, right off the bat, I can see price is pretty bullish, pretty strong, going over this swing highs, coming over with some good displacement, displacing over it, and inverting this daily fair value gap. I'm going to go on the 4-hour, straight bullish over here, displacing kind of over this right here. That's the last swing high. We're going to mark that off as a previous high because price likes to use previous highs as well as places to react off of. So we'll use that there. We'll use this as the next swing high over here. Oh yeah, right there, boom. Cool. So 4 hours bullish. Daily is bullish. 1 hour is bullish. Let's see if there's any key levels. Boom. Let me log in. Too easy. 4 hours to see if there's any key levels. No key levels here other than this gap right here. The daily is gapping really hard actually. 15 minute, you got a nice 15-minute fair value gap right here with an order block. Looks like it's going to be one of those days for me where I'm just going to have to sit back and legit wait for a trade or not. Other days where it's just kind of like, okay, cool, where you see price doing what you want and, you could catch the wave. It looks like today is going to be one of those days where it's just like, we're probably just going to have to wait and probably not even get a trade, especially with this being here. I'll mark this off right here. 15-minute, we got that fair value gap. Where is ES at? Let's go on the 4 hour. Let me see if there's, make sure there's no divergences or anything like that, giving signs of weaknesses. Oh, there's a divergence from here to here. Let's go to 1 hour. It's so cold in this thing office, I'm just kind of cycling back and forth, just trying to get the higher time frame narrative more clear in my head. It's actually crazy. Come on now. All right, cool. Price looks like it wants to keep running, so I'm just gonna go and hop in along right now. I'm lying. I'm not gonna do that. It's adjusting the screen a little bit. Yo, the Wi-Fi pretty crazy here. What does this mean? Is it pushing me to leave the woodland for flawless updates? Yeah, well, hopefully that doesn't do anything with the executions. Yeah, so price is moving very strong today. I don't want to chase price, so I mean, I'll do this right here, but we're just gonna have to keep it pushing. No, there's a lot of strength in this market. When there's a lot of strength in the market, price doesn't usually like to come back and retrace that much. It usually just likes to go. So what I did was I drew a nice Fibonacci on the 15-minute for premium and discount. I would like to see price ideally come down to discount before I am comfortable with taking a trade. Depending on how long this push is going to last, it could give me a better entry or a better chance of catching something like right around here, or maybe it can retrace down here, but this order block can help me get in. But we'll just see. I'm just going to be patient, just wait and see what price wants to do. Especially that it's stuck in hard. It's really not giving me an opportunity to get in. Fair value. Yeah, that fair value gap wasn't even made by that time. Yeah, and I wouldn't even have caught an entry right here because it didn't inverse any fair value gaps, so it's not even that big of a deal. It is pumping. Like I said, the more it moves up, the higher discount will be. So it could be a good indication for me, give me a higher chance of for it pulling back to an area that I like, and then catching a trade. You see, nice little retracement. Hopefully this could be some kind of like entry opportunity. You know, let's see where it could be retracing to. It's got a little fair value gap in here, or order block, but I like for it to retrace deeper though before I'm interested in buying anything. And got a good amount of movement. I like that. Well, let's just see. All we can do is just wait and see what price does, right? Ooh. What did I eat this morning? Why my tongue look like that? It's weird. My tongue weird. I wonder if that's the filter. I gotta go check it out. It's weird. My lips blue too? It gotta be the filter. Oh yeah. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna go check this out. Yeah, pops. Oh yeah. Good news. Definitely the filter. How do I change that then? I don't want that there. No, that doesn't do that. Okay. Super weird. There we go. Okay. Yeah. That's normal now. Well, I was scared. I thought I was dying. I thought I was about to freaking pass out. That's crazy. Alright, cool. We back. I was like, I know I'm cold. I was like, I know it's cold in here, but damn, I don't think it's that cold, you know? Oh yeah, is it good now? Is it? Okay, cool. So tap that fair value gap. See what we got going on here. There we go. It's a 5-minute one. Tripping. Did it touch it? Did it actually touch it? Oh yeah, it did. Imagine if I just entered right there. Ink. Yeah, that would have been a nasty entry. Yeah. I was waiting for it to invert this and to see how it would react afterwards for me to consider entering, but as you can see, it didn't invert that. Maybe it was just trying to scare people into longs. Like maybe like, oh man, right here, go long right here, and then all of a sudden, boom, back and draw down. You know? Maybe that's what they want to just trap people in those longs right here, make people FOMO in. Make people FOMO in the shorts. Let's see. We'll get it. We'll get it ready though. That was actually a very disgusting sound. I'm sorry that you had to hear that. Alright, cool. So let me adjust my input so we can see. Maybe the 1 to 1. And we'll just wait. We'll wait. We'll see what happens. That was a pretty crazy wick right there. I could have gotten people in, trapped them in them longs like me. I could be an animal in a trap right now. And if I am, so be it. If I'm not, then we win. It's that simple. Followed my plan. I want to see price do what I wanted to see it do. Sometimes you got to adjust to it. That's fine by me. And yeah, we'll just keep trading, Oh. Yeah, we'll just keep trading. I'll go break even about when price is about like $260 to $300 in profit, if it gets that far, hopefully it gets that far. But once price gets to that point, then I'll go break even. That line up there is my 1-to-1 right here. Over here, that's my 1-to-1. And I like to move my stop there after it displaces or anything like that. So let me just adjust this real quick. Actually, no, I don't want to adjust that. I want to adjust this. Boom, boom. Just watching price now to see what it wants to do. I wonder what insider trading feels like. Just knowing that you're going to come on the charts and make money. You got like a 1% chance of losing it because you got the freaking secret sauce. I wonder how that feels like. That'd be cool. Kind of like what I'm seeing on the bullish side of price action. Like I said, I could be wrong though, but I kind of like it how it inverted that fair value gap and it didn't fully invert it. I like that right there. I think I'm gonna go break even now. I know I said around $300, but it took out that high, so I just want to protect my position a little bit. It's a risk-free trade. One thing I don't like about like break-even trades though is kind of like, you know, it could possibly take you out and then fly to your TP, and that always hurts. It's always a test on your psychology. Is always it always helps you work on it more because it sucks to see the money just leave after you had it. Like, yeah, I could have closed here, but You know, this whole game is full of emotion, so it's a good workout for the brain. Definitely a good workout for the heart, for the soul, especially getting tapped out at break even and then price moves in your favor. But we'll just see what price wants to do. I'm break even right now, so I'll be fine. Could come down and tap that order block right there, that 1 minute order block. Don't do it. Don't do it. It did. God, don't. Turn the garbage off. $1.90. Yeah, that was a lot of volatility. I don't even know how to answer. Prices in here. It's the next high. It looks like price is gonna go on without me. Yeah, I mean, one of those days, I guess. What does it outweigh? $61.25. Yeah, so I'll wait. If price wants to come down again and give me another entry opportunity, then yeah, I'll take it. But if price hits these swing highs up here, then I'm probably not gonna do anything today. So let's just wait and see. Where is that wick at? Yeah. Like I was saying earlier, it's definitely a test on the psychology, man. I guess I made $1.90. It was good, right? It's absolutely freezing outside, man. It's 23 degrees, bro. You would think I live like in Rhode Island. Got freaking like 8 inches of snow outside, bro. I'm in Florida. Let's get a better look at what's going on here. Let's show that Fibonacci again. Yeah, for the silver bullet people. That trade the silver. Oh my god. That trade the silver bullet. I feel like y'all should have won today. Let me see. Underneath this fair value, yeah. Even with this one contract. Yeah, you guys should have won today. You guys are a good day for you guys. Beautiful, beautiful trade. The price doing this again. No fair value gap to be inverted, so naturally I don't have an opportunity right now. Pump up the jam, pump it up. Get up. Oh, man. Yeah, I could be using that as some support, bouncing off of there. Like I said, there's no fair value gap to inverse, so there's not going to be any entry opportunity for me right now, especially that it comes, I'm not going to include this because this area, if it had any type of orders in it, I feel like all those orders are kind of gone. I feel like this is not an area where I would even trust for an entry opportunity. I'm just doing this here so I can just see how price is reacting, more like just observing, not considering at all, just observing. Super cold. Super cold. Mm. Got you. So the audio is coming from my phone. How can I change it? Still trying to figure out why. No, I'm just talking to trying to fix the audio. Still trying to figure out why. Okay, so I'm not even using the audio from my headphone. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. All right, we're gonna have to do something about this. While we wait for price to react. It says application audio. Yeah. Remove filter properties. Remove. Yeah. Properties. Mic. Device. Default. Mic. Microphone. Microphone for the. Yeah, that's the mic. The desktop audio. That's done. Huh, I wonder if that changed it because I just changed the microphone on here. I don't even know if it did anything. price come down to? This is kind of ranging right now. Yeah, so that's why, man. I wonder if I could connect my Bluetooth speakers. Let's see if that would make a difference. Alright, it's just connected mic audio. Change it here. Hello? Stop my music. What the Hey Siri, stop my music. Oh, okay. So I was playing on my computer. It wasn't even playing on the thing. That's it. Oh, look at that. All right, so I says the mic is for my AirPods. So we're gonna I'll come back to the video. 43 minutes, yeah. I'll come back to the video and see how it sounds like. So maybe if I could connect it to the laptop, we just troubleshooting while the price is moving. Mm. Like that. Like I said before, though, no inverse fair value gap, no opportunity. So yeah, prices is gonna have to run off without me. Like that. There's no this fair value gap was purely for observation, nothing to even consider. If I wanted to take the trade right here, mm, yeah, I'd be in. I mean, we'll see. Kind of almost the same entry. But again, though, no fair value gap, no inverse, no trade. So, and if it goes up, let me delete that because that's not even relevant. And if it goes up and it takes this swing high, then I'll just be done trading for the day. At that point, it could just freaking dump, and I don't want to be part of that dump, especially when I want to go long. So that's why I will get off the charts if price goes up there. Wouldn't be able to catch a trade today, and that's fine. That is absolutely a-okay. I'm kind of excited though to hear this audio. Like I'm just gonna be talking randomly because I could see my voice and how the volume is going back and forth. I can see that. But you know, yeah. Price ran off without me. Like without the plug. Ran off on the plug. Did me dirty. Did me dirty, man. took me out of my trade. Right, individual 1-to-1. See if it gets there. I'm not in this trade though. I'm not in this trade at all right now, so we will see. Ugh. Making sure my mouth ain't blue like before. Yeah, it was a nice divergence here. But again, divergence is only a confluence. The inverted fair value gap is my confirmation. No inverted fair value gap, no trade. Again, this was only for observation, not consideration. What are these down close candles right here? Nothing for me, man. And that is okay. That's okay. Well, it's not okay if I try to come up here and touch like a trade and try to catch it, like, oh my gosh, now we're in the trade. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm going to catch it. It's going to take these highs for sure. And, uh, and we'll make our money, what I'm saying? Easy trade right here. But then look, it's in drought. I'm like, oh my God. You know what I'm saying? How many ticks already? Oh my gosh. You know what I'm saying? 30 ticks. How much money is that, guys? I don't know. Let's see. Let's find out. 30 ticks. That's $150. Stuff like that. Right. 30 ticks, $150. You're like, oh my God, we're break even. How about if I got nervous and closed it right here? And that's $150 that I just lost. So never chase a trade, guys. We're just gonna act like I took this trade and we're gonna see how it plays out. I wouldn't have taken it ever. This is not a missed opportunity. This is not my model. It could be your model though. If you back test it, maybe you like seeing a fair value gap inverted, maybe multiple times, and then use it once it breaks again, the third or fourth time in your direction. Then maybe you could do that. I haven't tested that, so I'm not gonna test it with the live funds. Look at that. Look at that. If I entered right there, I'd be freaking sweating right now. I'm like, please no, please no. I'm like, please don't do this to me. I promise I'll never do that again. Hmm. Most likely, yeah, that would have been break even for sure. Break even trade. They didn't go nowhere. Now imagine. Oh my lord. How many ticks is that? 53. That's already $250. I know that one because that's half. Like, oh my god. Probably would have closed out to be honest. And that's what separates profitable traders and unprofitable traders. The ability to just sit back and wait. And if there's nothing there, the ability just to sit back and do nothing. Look at that. Touch, touch that wick of that order block. No, touch the body of it. Look at that. It wants to continue that push up. Look at that. That would have taken me out of break even again. Would have been a nice break even trade. Just waiting now. I mean, yeah, just waiting. Probably gonna have to do a lot within like the next like 25, 30 minutes for me to even be comfortable jumping in a trade. It's gonna have to do a lot. One of the longer streams, I guess, today. And that's all right. Got into that fair value gap right there on that 1 minute. Probably use it to push up and there you go. To hit TP. TP Uno. Yeah, we delete that. Just extra noise. Well, look at this previous high though. Look how it broke through it. Came down, touched that fair value gap, and then it came, and then it was just look at that. They even want to close underneath it. Like I said before, that the price uses previous highs and previous lows as support and resistance. So if you're looking for other areas to watch out for, always the previous highs and previous lows, and you could do anything but above the 15 minute and up. That's what I like to use. The 15 minute and up highs and lows. Hmm. Like I said, price is gonna have to do a lot for me to feel comfortable jumping in. Anything is gonna have to melt a lot before before I want to catch a trade. I mean, if I wanted to be a degenerate to catch a short, not here maybe. So if I'm being a degenerate trader though, Oh, how about that fair value gap right there that it's about to inverse? Right up in here, this one. I don't like that one because it's way too high. Like we have a whole bunch of liquidity down here, a whole bunch of, liquidity, areas of interest, key levels. Like it's just too much action going on down here for me to be comfortable with taking that. Like if I would have taken that, let's see. All right, I would have taken it like right around here. Go for the 1 to 1. That would have been to the next swing high. I'll be right back, yo. Well, I never left, actually. The screen will be right back. Cool. Yeah, so that's if I took that inverted fair value gap. Let's see what happens there. Hey, it could work out, it could not. You see it in my peripheral, it's melting a bit. Sorry, I was just doing something for my beautiful wife who came in here and requested I do her a favor on the computer. It's already done. It's already done. Yeah, it was nice to her because she was nice to me. She gave me some crackers. They don't look too appetizing because the volume, the filter picture is different. Oh my god, looks like a freaking eraser. It's the filters, guys. It's the colors. All right. Move the 5 minute push. Let's see what's the range in here. Can you still hear me? Oh wow. Mm, 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 mm. Ew. Ow. Mm. Just really excited to see how the audio works. And I'm listening to music too. Like I wonder if this is gonna be messing up my audio. Mm. So, mm, mm. You know what I'm listening to right now. Right there. Oh, right there. I want it. Oh, you can't even see it. Right there. Mm. Yeah. Yeah, price action getting kind of ugly right now. Mm. Mm. Golden morning, my respect the Savior. Oh, well. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. So now I'll be considering a trade. All right. Price comes down to this discount area off the 5 minute range. Leaves a nice little fair value gap, plays around, boom, and then inverts the fair value gap, and then I'll aim for this high around there. It'll be a short little scalping day. Oh, I got some crow's feet. I need some Botox. Ooh, look at that push into discount. Look at that push into discount, y'all. Oh my god, oh my god, hey, boom. That would have been a losing trade. Perfect example on why I didn't want to enter up there. Now, it's where things get interesting. We gotta wait until that candle's obviously done printing. But if it leaves a fair value gap, then I'll be looking at that one to be inverted. Hmm. Put a divergence over here. Well, this will be the divergence right here. I'm not just gonna keep following it. So we got a divergence. I'll be aiming for like a, so I'll just be waiting for that. I'll be waiting for that inversion right there. Or force, of course. And if it inverts, then yeah, I'll enter. That'll be my criteria. I'm just playing around with it. Hmm. I'm a lost cause. Baby, don't waste your time on me. I'm so damaged beyond repair. I could hurt my hopes and my dreams. I'm a lost cause. Baby, don't waste your time on me. I'm so damaged beyond repair. My hopes and my dreams. Bro, Jelly Roll been on a roll, bro, for real. Like, I'm not even gonna cap, bro. That dude talented for real. All right. That's where the SMT is gonna be. Once it breaks this low, then there will be no more SMT divergence. But it has to break the low. And that's why I put it there because it's still like teetering and tottering, as you will call it. Teetering and tottering. Living in it. Back from the head. The only thing, yeah, 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 yeah. Mm, mm, mm. All of the drinking. Man, I wish I had some more coffee, man. Mm, coffee was banging. Inside of me, something and hold on to anything that sets me free. Come on, cause baby, don't waste your time on me. I'm so damaged beyond repair. I'm a lost cause. Baby, don't me. Damage we are repair. Never shattered my hopes and my dreams. Yeah, I would like to see what happens when it touches that fair value gap, man. I don't know if it's trying to like induce people, like, hey man, this fair value gap is valid. Like, you want it. You know what I'm saying? Like what just happened there, bro? Like, let's go, let's do something. They're trying to like trick people, like, oh, go short, go short, go short, go short, go short. Mm, mm. All of this drinking and smoking is open, but feel like it's all that I need. It's broken, I hold on to anything that felt different. Mm. I'm so different to the whole girl. Yeah, yeah. My hopes and my dreams. Oh. No more SMT divergence. That's all right, big dog. That's all right. It's all right. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what else we got here. See what else we got. We delete that now because that's a lie. It's a lie. That ain't happening. Okay. We do got a divergence right here though. There's one. That one. I am not okay. Never mind. No more divergence. Price moving. We're losing sleeping now. I am not okay. I'm being on the thread. Now I can feel more comfortable going a little farther now. That's I've been on for a dear long time. And even touch that fair value yet. Someone would have got their money if they panicked and went short. I feel like they do that on purpose though. To reward impulsive people. Every now and then. Every now and then, get your bag, you know what I'm saying? It keeps those bad habits intact. They want people to be impulsive. They want that. They want you to lose your money. So they give you a little crumb here and there. You know what I'm saying? I can see that happen. I can see that kind of manipulation going on. Lying in the dirt. I know, be the only one. No, coming home to dear love. No, no, all said and done. I'm not okay. We're all gonna be alright. Yes, I'm okay. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I'm just waiting. If any fair value were to be inverted, I want this one to be inverted before I go in because it's after that high. I don't want to wait for this one to come here, it touches that high, and then it continues that push down. So I want some kind of confirmation that it's not going to use this as like a resistance type of thing. So yeah, I mean, it could be bearish. It could be bearish. But that's what I would need for me to feel comfortable to jump in that long. Let me see if I hit any key levels. No, I didn't really hit any key levels. But took the liquidity. Let me see if there's any divergences. The future and the past. Make sure to Yeah, you see, I like that. I like that. Stay underneath. Stay underneath. They want you in the house of life. We want to do that. We want to protest. We want to fight for your rights. Remember, I heard that noise. You got it, girl. You got it. There you go. You everywhere you go. And the rain was on your mind. It must be hard for you to find your I'm so proud of you. Yeah, it looks like I'm about to jump in this trade. Want some more strength in it though. Got my finger on the trigger. Yeah, I'm hopping in. If you ask me to take a break, give it all away, what the people say, million, trillion, billion miles away. Oh. So we had another opportunity. Pause the music right here. We had another opportunity. Oh, we're going into that fair value gap, hoping it inverts it. But I am going to be very careful because, today was already a break-even day. Psychology is already being tested, and I don't want to turn this into like a losing day. So my one-to-one's at the highs. Once it gets to the highs, then I'll trail. I'll trail deeply. But yeah, we're just gonna be here watching the trade, and let's see what we got going. Hopefully this is a good push and it doesn't take me out at break even. We're an hour and 20 minutes into the stream or into the video because I'm not streaming. I'll probably stream. I'll probably start streaming like live when I go full time because working as a firefighter, my days are inconsistent when it comes to trading. I come home from work, I got to do things. Sometimes I'm late, sometimes I'm not here, so I don't want to be that inconsistent for y'all. For the people that are actually gonna watch me and try to learn and try to change their lives and get money. But yeah, that's what I'll start doing. I'll start live streaming when I go full time. Hopefully that's soon. That'd be amazing. But we'll see though. We'll see. Always work towards one step at a time, right? 1% better than yesterday. That's all we're aiming for. That compounding effect, right? Yeah, this will most likely be the last trade for me today, even if it is a break even trade. If it's a break even trade, then I'll just clean up the charts, um, edit my my balance and everything like that, and I'll call it a day. Lunchtime's about to start, 11:30, 12. I like to be done by 11:30 because the volume decreases at that point. People go out to eat, they do their things, their freaking PM wrap ups and all that. So I hope it doesn't take me out of break even. Look, man, just because I said it's a possibility that you could take me out at break even doesn't mean take me out at break even. You know what I'm talking about? Like, don't do that. Like, don't do that. Now you ain't gotta do all that, really. Look, man, you done stop hunted a whole bunch of people. You don't need my stop. You know what I'm saying? You done stop hunting all them people back there. You don't need my stop, my. You just need to keep running. Don't stop. Don't stop, hunt. Run. Forest. Run. You drink some of my water. My wife get mad at me when I don't drink y'all. Yes, $18.80. Yes, sir. Turn my music on, get me back there though. Mm, 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 mm. No, I didn't trade Monday. What day is it today? Oh, today's Wednesday. I'm about to say, I thought today was Thursday. I was like, what the heck? 1880. Wow. Trash. Price is trash today. Let me stop my music. Let's take this out over here. Yeah, we're gonna count by 53, 11496, 53, 1, God dog it. 53, 11496. 53, 11496. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, price is dumping. And that's called a balanced price range. Yeah, I don't know. Price is probably gonna keep dumping. There's a divergence right here. Mm. I know what questions you want to ask. Don't ask the question. Don't worry about it. This is my setup. Okay, leave me alone. That was a good move though. I imagine like that was an easy trade. All right, now I promise. I promise I'll be done trading if these lows match with the SMT. Like if they take out the SMT and they take out those lows, I'll be done. I'll be like, all right, cool. Price ain't doing what I wanted to do today. Fine, fine. But yeah, we'll just see. But if it verts, I'm definitely going for it again. Oh, 1 billion%, 1 billion. It's my setup. My setup appeared 3 times today. It's my setup, man. Just, just try to take the opportunities that come through. We got 15 minutes before I want to hop off the charts. I like the risk to reward. Right there, boom, SMT. If it hits this balanced price range, let's go. Hopefully, people use this fair value gap to go short, so the market makers can go long. That's all I want, man. That's all I want. Go long, big dog. Go long. So let's get our parameters set up. Boom, boom, and we'll just wait. I'm in again. And we'll just wait right here, right? We'll just wait and see what price wants to do. Let me just even out the screen a little bit, put you in the middle. Boom, 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 boom. No, cool. Yeah, we're Gucci now. I don't know if it's because it's like super freezing outside and my Wi-Fi's has been garbage all day. Don't know why. I usually like to go break even around like like $270, around 300. Like give or take $300. About like 270, 280. That's when I like to go break even. You can see the volume is really slowing down right now. It took out that high a little bit, so I'm gonna go break even. I don't like how price is wiggling around. Yeah, usually you'll know if you real quick if you catch the move, like if it's an actual like, nice good move, nice pump and run. But especially that it's close to lunchtime and everything like that, the price is just not gonna be freaking strong right now. 5:15.7 today. Yes, sir. Let's be a little bit more accurate though. It was like on that wick right there. 5:17 today. We got our money. Let's go, baby. It was a fight today, man. I'm not gonna cap. It was a dang fight today. Stuck to the plan. Oh, ooh, stuck to the plan, baby. And that's all that matters. 5:17, 5:15.7, 5:15.7, 5:15.7. Doesn't matter, man. We stuck to the plan, bro. We stuck to the plan. That's what I was trying to tell you guys yesterday. The market does not. Oh, the market does not reward knowledge. It doesn't reward. It doesn't reward knowledge. It doesn't reward freaking how much you know. It rewards patience and discipline and following your plan. Right now, if I followed my plan, this is how January could have looked like. But that day, I broke my plan. You see what happens? Stuff like that. Anyways, after that, I tried not to break my plan at all. I didn't break my plan here. That was just a regular losing day. Right here, $515. I'm up 2% for the month for the week so far. We Gucci, baby. We Gucci. That was a good trade. Let me go over the breakdown with you guys. All right, we'll do it real quick. All right, so daily, we got some good strength, bullish. I just wanted to go long all day. I didn't want to do any shorts. It wasn't in a position where I could go both ways. Today was just very obvious which way I wanted to go. So we had some bullishness. We had a fair value gap that was inverted here. Boom. We had another one that was inverted right here. Boom. So I'm just like, okay, yeah, we got some strength. You know, the next target will be this pool of liquidity right here. Go down to the 4 hour, straight bullish. You know, Monday, use that 4 hour fair value gap. Continues to push, breaks and displaces over that high. Like I said, I was going to be aiming up for that high next. So I'm just like 4 hours bullish too. Only thing that kind of sucked was it wasn't really a lot of key levels to work off of. So we had to go down to the lower time frames and do ranges and look for key levels on the smaller time frame. So we had this fair value gap right here, but that didn't form. That was intra-session and trend again. There wasn't really a lot of how would I say it? There wasn't really a lot of key levels pre-market that I wanted to see price come down to and touch, right? So 15-minute right here. This is when it kind of started getting a little interesting. I was like, okay, cool. We could start expanding that a little bit more. And then that's why I was like, okay, cool. We have this nice push right here. That's why I drew the range right here. And I was like, okay, cool. Price may not come down that far because when price is strong, it won't come down that far, right? It will just come down to certain key levels, to certain PDRAs, and then keep the push. It doesn't always come down to discount. You want it to, but it doesn't always to. All right. So when it continued that push again, boom, boom, I drew a range right here. And I was like, okay, cool. I want price to come down into this area before I start taking it serious. So price came down to this area. Actually, let me just draw that again so we can see where we are on the range. Right? So price came down. I was like, okay, cool. We have a fair value gap that it created here on the push down, created another fair value gap here on the push down. I entered here, came up, and took me out at break even. So I was like, okay, cool. I'll just wait because it created another fair value gap and it had an SMT divergence. So I was just like, this is probably the way to go right here. So I know I didn't cover this whole fair value gap, but I did this right here. That's called a balanced price range. When two fair value gaps overlap, you'll just adjust it to make it good. And yeah, so when it came down to this fair value gap, it inverted. Boom, came in, took me out. When it dropped, break even. That's fine. SMT divergence down here created this fair value gap with this other fair value gap. Cool. I was like, once it inverts, I'll take the trade. Boom, it inverted, took the trade. Easy money. I don't always need a SMT divergence to. I don't need a SMT divergence as a confirmation to enter my trade. I just need an inverted fair value gap to enter my trade. And yeah, but with the SMT divergence, it just gives me that extra confidence to be like, heck yeah, brother. we're going in. You know what I'm saying? And look, an hour and 45 minutes is this video, man. It's crazy, but patience is rewarded, discipline is rewarded. Just keep following your trading plan, and you'll be successful. Especially if you back tested it and you know your trading plan works, you'll be successful. Don't let greed, don't let FOMO, don't let anything control you because you're the only one that can really stunt your growth on here. You know, stunt your progress. So beautiful trade today. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm really excited to hear how this audio sounds like, man. I'm really excited. You know, this is the first time. I thought I had it the first video, and I was like, oh my God. But no, I didn't. I did not. So let's just see. Let's just see. I can't wait. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get money, baby.